Gil, Georgia, and we're having fun with gas experiments. And today we're going to self-inflate a balloon. And we're not going to use air from our lungs to blow that up, but we're going to use what we have in front of us, which is some vinegar and some baking soda. So we're going to start with Ryder, and we're going to let Ryder pour just a little bit of vinegar in that bottle.
That's a bottle.
That's good. All right. And now we're going to, Jonathan, you're going to help me, and we're going to put baking soda in this balloon using this funnel. And so go ahead and spoon some baking soda in there.
I wonder why it's so hard to get the baking soda in there.
Right. Shake it up a little bit, get it in there. Put one more spoonful in there. Good.
Maybe I can put my pinky.
You did.
Is it all on?
All right. Okay, so now I'm going to set these aside, and we're going to, I can just put the top of the balloon on here. All right. So we have the balloon on there. And so Ryder, I'm going to let you lift that balloon and get all of the baking soda down in the bottom. What's it doing, Jonathan?
Getting bigger.
Yes, it's inflating the balloon.
I think that's all it's going to do.
How's it doing that?
Because when you pop it gets bigger.
That's right. When you take something that's an acid and a base, like the vinegar and the baking soda, and you put them together, there's a chemical reaction and it creates a gas, and that gas is being captured by that balloon, and it has blown that balloon up. Is that a neat experiment?
Yeah.
What did you like about that experiment?
When you pop it.
When you pop it?
When I pop it.
Try. Don't think it's gonna pop. Thanks for playing with Gil, Georgia today. We'll see you next time.
Bye.